What's happening mga Brad? Welcome back to my channel. So today, we are going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel in 2020. So in this video, I'm going to provide useful tips and information para makapagsimula agad kayo ng channel nyo the best and easiest way possible. So I'm going to try to save you the hassle of looking for answers all over the internet and YouTube. At syempre, I spent hours researching paano magsimula. So let's get with it. So tip number 1 is start before you're ready. So what I mean by that is don't let perfectionism get in the way of your productivity. You want to start as soon as possible because being ready is a joke, You have to start there. You have to put your feet in the water first to get to know what it feels like, and doon ka matututo. So I want you to take it one video at a time. The best way to do that is just get the first video out of the way. You have to get rid of that fear na baka may mag-judge sa'yo or baka hindi perfect yung video mo. I want you to get rid of that thought. Syempre, mas matututo ka kapag you already started it, you already put your content out there. At syempre, mas madali na lang yon along the way. So the best way to do this is learn from your previous videos and apply it on the new video that you're working on. Take note on what you want to improve on and apply that on the next video. At syempre, hindi mangyayari yon unless you work on putting out your very first video on YouTube. So tip number 2 sa inyo mga brad, is to simplify things and start with the things that you have. What do I mean by that? So I encourage you to start filming or vlogging with your phone. So what I use for my videos is just my iPhone. I'm currently using a iPhone XR. Kinabitan ko lang siya ng external mic para maganda ang audio. You also don't need to pay for a premium editing software. You can use free editing softwares like iMovie if you are on Mac OS. And if you are a Windows user, you can use apps like Filmora Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and if you really want to get Adobe Premiere Pro, you can get it on Pirate Bay for free. Although I'm not recommending ang pamimirata, Pero napakamahal talaga ng subscription nito, so no judgment there. And syempre, I'll post links down sa description para sa mga software na to. So before we get started on actually crafting your YouTube channel, there are questions that you need to answer in order to make a successful YouTube channel in 2020. First and foremost, who is your audience? You have to pick a niche na you want to serve. Who is this channel for? And who are you trying to attract? Don't try to speak to everyone because if you do that, it's really hard to get traction on your channel. Next question is, what is your unique selling point? What problem does this channel solve? You need to be able to solve problems in your videos. At dapat meron kang ma-offer sa mga viewers mo. I'm going to use vloggers as an example. So kung wari you wanna be a vlogger, so you're offering entertainment sa mga viewers mo. You're solving boredom, you're solving an escape for people looking for an escape, and of course there are people trying to relax after a very long day, and they want to be able to relax through watching your videos. So recap lang dun sa mga question. Who is your audience? And what is your unique selling point? What problems does your vlog or your channel offer? To answer. So step number 1 in making a YouTube channel, make sure na yung profile mo ay legit tingnan. You want a channel icon for starters? Dahil yun ang pinakaunang nakikita ng mga viewers sa YouTube. Kapag nakita nilang wala kang icon or hindi matching yung icon mo sa content na nilalabas mo, they're gonna be iffy about subscribing. Next is, you want to upload a really nice channel art. So channel art mo, you wanna give small details about what kind of channel you are. And it is also a great way para maging mukhang legit yung channel mo. At syempre, you can also add your social medias there sa baba so you can get more following if you want to take your viewers outside of YouTube. And lastly, to make a professional channel, you want to write a very detailed about description. Let them know who you are, what kind of videos you make, and what your channel is offering. And so after making your channel look good and professional, ready ka na para gumawa ng mga videos. So before you even start recording, I want you to plan ahead of time at syempre make it interesting and I want you to make a script or kahit a loose outline para may idea ka at hindi ka nag-i-impromptu sa pag-video mo. At para hindi naman masyadong in the spot, syempre mas maganda pa rin yung pinaghandaan kahit papano. You know, keep an idea in your head kung paano mo sisimulan yung video mo, ano yung climax ng video mo, at paano mo siya tatapusin. To help you make a solid video, you have to find a keyword-rich title first. Syempre, doon mo na i-base around yung video mo. So in your videos, try to solve one problem per video. Don't try to confuse people by trying to put everything in one video. Okay, so now that you have keywords, a title, and an idea for your video, ready ka nang mag-record. So napaka-importante ng first 15 seconds sa video mo. You have to keep people engaged during that 15 seconds. So the best way to get them engaged and hooked is to tell them at the very beginning what the video is about and tell them why they should watch it. So one tip about making videos, make sure na walang dull moments. Sa editing, i-cut out mo lahat ng mga parts na awkward or may dead air, or if sa tingin mo boring yung part ng video na yun, tanggalin mo rin. Syempre, have a good hook at the beginning. Napaka-importante ng intro. Gagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, yung first 15 seconds, napaka-essential nun. Dahil yun ang magsasabi kung mag-i-stay yung mga viewers mo. Make viewers want to see the end of the video. Oh, and one more tip, don't over-explain things. Keep it simple at informative. So the next tip is trying to beat the algorithm. The best way to beat the algorithm is to have a really good click-through rate and a watch time. It decides whether or not YouTube will show your videos to other people. I want you to focus on two things for the algorithm. Focus on getting people to click and make people stay. So for the click-through rate, titles and thumbnails will be the one helping you. Make your titles short and snappy and let it hold some sort of shock value. A good example ng title is, I ordered a pizza and tipped the whole house. Or, I put 1 million Legos in my friend's house. What comes to a person's mind after reading that is, weh, talaga? And after that, it will urge them to click. Because that's how the mind works. Okay, next thing is thumbnails. You want your thumbnails to stand out. The way to do that is use non-YouTube colors. So ang color ng YouTube is black, red, and white. So you really want colors na magi-stand out. And for text, use big, bold text. Sometimes maganda rin kapag naka all caps, pero it depends on your video. It should not be more than 5 words. There had been studies na yung mga thumbnails na may human face in it, those work better for click-through rate. So if you really want your thumbnails to be really good, make sure there's a human face in it and use big, bold text. And for watch time naman, you want to make sure that your videos are around 8 to 15 minutes long, pero 10-minute videos and longer tend to work better. This will also increase your watch time. At syempre, the more watch time you have, the more YouTube will favor your videos. Okay, so let's say na na-upload mo na yung video mo sa YouTube. Now you want to work on the video description. So a tip for that is write a mini blog post for your description. Outline the content of the video, but don't give out the meaty details. Leave that for the viewers to see in the video. Long descriptions help your video rank higher on YouTube. Make sure that you have 100 characters on your description or more. Okay, so now that you have people watching your video, you also want to get comments. Getting comments is good for sending YouTube information that your video is engaging for users. Ibig sabihin nun, the more people like your video, the more people comment in your video, gusto yun ng YouTube because they really prefer videos na engaging sa mga tao. A tip on getting comments is asking your viewers a multiple choice question, you know. Give them something to talk about in the comments in your video. If you're getting good value out of this video, can you please hit like and subscribe to my channel? Also, please hit the notification bell. Thank you. Okay, so now meron ka ng YouTube channel and you've already uploaded your first video. Alright guys, so last tip ko sa inyo, don't focus on getting money first. Getting money will come to you in the future, pero think about what you can deliver to your audience first. I want to encourage you to make better videos, make quality content. Mag-focus ka muna sa what you can offer sa mga viewers mo. Make that solid fan base. Siyempre, the end game is to quit your job and make YouTube a full-time thing. Pero, syempre, starting a YouTube channel is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, at syempre, it takes a lot of your patience. So what I can tell you to do right now is make that first video, keep improving, keep making videos, improve, keep learning, apply what you've learned on the previous video and apply it on the next video. In that way, you're gonna make your YouTube channel better and better in the long run. Don't forget, starting a YouTube channel is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Slowly but surely wins the game. And finally, don't quit because quitters never win and winners win by not quitting. Comment down below what your strategy is on starting your channel. At kung may mga tanong kayo, comment nyo lang. I'll try to reply to everyone. Alright guys, so my next videos will be about how to rank higher in YouTube, how to start vlogging on your phone, how to edit your videos, how to make a thumbnail for your videos, and more to help you start your YouTube channel. So guys, if you learned a lot and got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. At please paki-hit na rin ng notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you're updated. So congratulations on starting your channel and syempre good luck sa journey mo. See you on my next video. Ingat mga brad.